experience beautiful fall color. I was really excited to see the fall colors. I booked a 3 p.m. train ride on the Pocono Foliage Express in Pennsylvania. We began our journey at 11 in the morning, taking a break for some coffee along the way.
Thank you.
When we arrived at our destination, it was time for lunch, and we had a delicious meal. Boarding the train, we looked forward to a beautiful ride through the riverside. I was expecting a vibrant display of fall colors, but my expectations met with utter disappointment. Previous days' rain had taken down most of the leaves. The rest of the forest was quite green. I couldn't witness the vibrant fall colors this time. Despite the disappointment, I still enjoyed the 1.5 hour train ride, the scenic view from my window seat, and the peaceful ride alongside a river. On our way back home, we discovered a Prompton State Park near the train station with stunning views. Seeing this, I felt that the long drive was worth it. Hopefully next year, I will time it just right to experience the perfect fall foliage.